Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz. They're going to give you a quick first look and unboxing of the Skullcandy INDYs. And recently we've just checked out their other true wireless here, which are excellent, and you can check them reviews out, and the same for the headphones. And these are excellent, great sound quality, ANC, and again these are great and stay in the ears, which is important, and that's due to the fins on them there, which a lot of manufacturers are leaving out, so we'll leave it at that. So this is the pencil style approach now from Skullcandy, and you have 16 hours of battery life, IPX4 and touch control. On the back you've all day play, you've up to 16 hours, you've 4 extra in additional 12 hours in charging case, intelligent design, earbuds turn on and pair automatically when removed from case, which is handy, touch controls, manage calls, tracks and volume through capacitive touch on the earbuds. These will be similar to the Urbanista Stockholm we just reviewed, and then it'll tell us the contents. So let's have a look. So when you open the box, you're presented with them straight away. So you press and hold the pair device and your controls here. So very similar to the Urbanista Stockholms we just done. So let's take them out. So you're going to get your extra buds, and these are micro USB, and the extra buds, your user guide, and we have the product itself. So let's take them out. So first off we have the case, which is LEDs in the front and has Indie branding inside there, and Skullcandy on front. It looks really nice. A USB port on the bottom, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty solid. It's a little bit bigger of a case than what we've tried here, and nonetheless it's small, portable and nicely rounded with a nice finish. And onto the buds. So here they are here. So you have your branding on top there, you have the Skullcandy logo, and you'll have your capacitive buttons here. You have an LED up here on top, as you can see, and the same on this side here, and these tips come off as well. So this is what they look like without them, and pretty slender and not too long. And then on the bottom you have the magnetic points where they'll connect in the charging box. So just pop them in, and you just drop in like so. Just get this back here. They pop in like so, and you can see that there's 2 bars of power inside, and when you open them you can see that there's an LED on there that it is charging. So that's just a quick first look at the Skullcandy INDYs. Stay tuned for the review soon, coming at techbuzz.com, and lots more earbuds and headphones on the way, along with lots of other cool tech. See you in the next one.